Hey up! The other day, Editor Bob was on about jerky, and I thought, oh, I could make chicken jerk, and I wonder if I can do it in an air fryer. So I want to give it a go. Now, it means that I had to get some stuff marinating overnight. So back to yesterday to see what I had to do. For the marinade, grab your whirligig. Firstly, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of honey, the juice of a lemon, a few jalapenos, three spring onions, a small lump of ginger, a small red onion, a little bit of garlic, half a teaspoon of allspice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and some salt and pepper. And give it a whiz. I've got a kilogram of chicken legs. I tried getting thighs, but they sold out. Pour in the old concoction. And give it a splurge about. Cling film over the top. Whack that in the fridge to marinate overnight. Okay, now to get on with a few more things. So I'm going to get some potatoes on the boil. Okay, so I've got some baby potatoes. That is a big block of frozen garlic. I'll put it in there just to help flavour that. I've also got some normal garlic that I just want to make soft. So let's get that on the oven. Now I'll get my chicken that's been marinating overnight, a roasting bag, them in there. Chuck in a bit of the juices. And that chicken can go in the air fryer. Nice and flat down. And I'm going to start it at 180 for 20 minutes. While that's all going, I'm going to add some chopped frozen chilies to the potatoes, just to give them a oomph. And I'll put the rest of the legs in a second roasting bag, ready for when that first lot's finished. Next, I want to finely chop some parsley, fresh parsley. That's the first 20 minutes up. Turn the chicken over, back in for the second 20. That is the first batch done. On to the second. Now, all the bits of garlic, nice big chunk of butter, and smush that all together. If you didn't know, I like mushrooms, so I have some mushrooms with this. Get the garlic butter in the frying pan. And in with the mushrooms. Grab my potatoes. Mushrooms can come out. And now back into that frying pan go the potatoes. And the chopped parsley. That's the potatoes done. That is the second lot done. I now think it is time to put this baby together. A little bit of parsley to make it look pretty. It's now time for the all-important taste test. The mushrooms. The potatoes. Having the chilies in while it was cooking did nothing. Now the chicken. It's all right. Far too much fuss with very little to gain from it. It's not brilliant, it's just alright. Which is a shame. I was looking forward to this. Well, there you have it. Garlic mushrooms, spot on. The potatoes, wonderful. The chicken, well, it's not worth the hassle. It's nice, but it's just not worth the hassle. You don't get a really good. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you again next time. Ta-da! So we'll chuck some of those in as well.
And a Satsuma pill. That would be orange pill, but I haven't got an orange. And a Satsuma pill.
Do me a favour, don't tell the wife.